And Afion, can I ask you a question?
What's up, Brother D?
What outfit do you hate of Michael Blackson's the most?
Michael Blackson liked to be naked a lot, so I don't like that one. I prefer he keep the sheepdog on.
Y'all get up, that is authentic hood rat fur right there.
Try again, mother.
Hey, y'all, let's show some love to the lovely TAMAR Braxton right here. TAMAR, love you yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
Come on now. You feel like rapping today. What you got?
If he don't catch us, let's cheat. If he don't catch us, let's cheat. We can go anywhere as long as we meet. If he don't catch us, let's cheat.
But I got the remix for you. You better get your life, 'cause she is somebody's wife.
Okay. That sums it up.
Go sit.
That sums it up. Y'all ready to meet our celebrity players? It's the Battle of the East Coast going down tonight. She rep New York so hard, she got a nickname from it. Give it up for Tiffany, New York pilot in the building. And he broke the rule of never falling in love. At the Jersey Shore, it's Ronnie Ortiz, Magro. What up, brother? Good to see you, man. So, Tiffany.
Hi.
You're pretty confident in a lot of, most of your
I
life.
have to be. Look how large my breasts are.
Did you miss that?
D-Ray, she could breastfeed my whole village with that.
Tiffany, I said it because you're on Scared Famous, so what would you be scared of?
If I married a man and he became my husband, obviously, and he couldn't get it up. Like, that's my worst fear.
Tiffany, I'm up right now.
Look like Leo from Revenant.
The Revenant.
The jacket still got a camel attached to it, so you can use that. You got a baby kangaroo on the inside of that motherfucker. In a pouch.
The shirt was wet.
Hey, Mike, put the jacket back on.
Put it back on.
Put it back on.
Put that jacket back on, nigga. Oh, he put it
That
up.
boy look like a real possum, don't it?